Hi, so on this article or this video, we'll be talking about creating dashboards. So previously we were talking about how dashboards is what the composition of dashboards, and now it's how to create one. So basically once you go to self-service under the all, then dashboards, then you go to create dashboard button, and here it will take you to a new dashboard, right? So you will be brought forward to this form, right? You need to have the correct naming of your dashboard and who will have access, right? So the group and what order. So order meaning basically is the hierarchy, right? So if you see on the dashboards, you will have multiple I mean the dashboard section. Then from there you could put in order what will be seen first, right? And you could of course restrict it to a role, which role only could basically view a dashboard, view your dashboard. So in terms meaning that only the correct people, the correct department, right, can be able or who will be able to see the information necessary. So there's always some restrictions, and that is what's good in ServiceNow, right? So basically, there are some parameters here or attributes that being mentioned. It's quite straightforward, right? And after saving it, right, you will be able to view your dashboard. So of course, after saving this, you need to add reports, right? Or widgets. So it will be blank for now, and so the next step will be adding reports to your dashboard. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.